Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro, your go-to spot for smarter tech tweaks and privacy power-ups. Today we're diving into 7 Chrome secrets on Windows you need to change now. These quick changes will boost performance, tighten privacy, and give you more control over your browser. Now let's get started. Number 1. Disable Chrome background apps. Chrome can keep running background processes even after you close it, which drains system resources and slows down your PC. Disabling this feature helps free up memory and improves overall performance. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your Windows device. Make sure it's the latest version for best results. Step 2. Click the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Step 3. From the drop-down, select Settings to open Chrome's configuration panel. Step 4. In the left-hand sidebar, click on System to access system-related options. Step 5. Find the toggle labeled Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and switch it off. Step 6. Restart Chrome to apply the changes and stop background processes from auto-launching. Step 7. Optional, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager, then manually end any lingering Chrome processes for a clean slate. Nice work! That's 1 Chrome secret down and 6 more to go. The next one's a privacy booster you won't want to miss. Number 2. Turn off site notifications. Pop-up notifications from websites can be distracting, invasive, and even used for spam or tracking. Turning them off gives you a cleaner browsing experience and tighter control over your privacy. It's a quick fix with lasting impact. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer to begin adjusting the notification settings. Step 2. Click the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security to access privacy-related options. Step 4. Choose Site Settings to manage permissions for individual websites. Step 5. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click on Notifications. Step 6. Under Default Behavior, select Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications to block all future requests. Nice! No more annoying pop-ups stealing your focus. The next Chrome secret will help you clean up even more hidden clutter. Let's keep going. Number 3. Clear autofill and saved passwords. Old or unused saved passwords can pose a security risk, especially if they're tied to sensitive accounts. Clearing them helps protect your data and keeps your Chrome profile clean and up to date. It's a smart privacy move you shouldn't skip. Let's do it. Step 1. In the Settings panel, click on Autofill and Passwords from the left-hand menu. Step 2. Select Google Password Manager to view all saved login credentials. Step 3. Find the website whose password you want to delete and click on it to open details. Step 4. Click the 3-dot menu next to the saved password and choose Delete to remove it permanently. That's 1 more privacy upgrade locked in. The next Chrome secret will help you tighten security even further. Stay tuned. Number 4. Enable Enhanced Safe Browsing. This feature gives you stronger protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. It also helps detect threats faster by sharing security data with Google. Turning it on is a smart move for safer browsing. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. In the Settings panel, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Step 2. On the right side, click on Security to open Chrome safety options. Step 3. Under the Safe Browsing section, select Enhanced Protection to activate Advanced Threat Detection. Boom! Your browser is now equipped with extra armor. Up next, we'll tackle a Chrome setting that quietly tracks your location. Let's keep going. Number 5. Manage Chrome location settings. Many websites request access to your location, which can compromise your privacy or lead to targeted ads. Adjusting this setting helps you stay in control of what data Chrome shares. It's a quick way to boost online privacy. Here's how it's done. Step 1. In the Settings panel, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Step 2. Select Site Settings to manage permissions for individual websites. Step 3. Under the Permissions section, click on Location to view location access options. Step 4. Choose your default setting. Either sites can ask for your location or don't allow sites to see your location for stricter privacy. Nice! Now your location stays your business. The next Chrome tweak will help you block even more hidden trackers. Let's keep rolling. Number 6. Update Chrome privacy controls. Chrome's privacy settings control how much data you share and how secure your browsing really is. Updating them helps block trackers, manage cookies, and tighten site permissions. It's a must-do for anyone serious about online safety. Here's how it's done. Step 1. In the Settings panel, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Step 2. Under Site Settings, review and adjust permissions like location, camera, and microphone to limit unnecessary access. Step 3. Click on Cookies and other site data to manage how Chrome handles third-party cookies and tracking. Step 4. Select Security to choose your safe browsing level. Enhanced protection is recommended for stronger defense. Step 5. Click Clear Browsing Data to remove history, cookies, and cached files that may be slowing you down or compromising privacy. Step 6. Scroll to Safety Check and click Go to Safety Check. Chrome will scan for issues and guide you through any fixes. That's a full privacy tune-up in just minutes. The final Chrome secret is all about syncing, and why you might want to rethink it. Let's wrap this up strong. Number 7. Disable third-party cookies. Third-party cookies track your activity across websites, often without your knowledge. Blocking them helps reduce targeted ads and improves your online privacy. It's a simple switch that makes a big impact. Let's do it. Step 1. In the Settings panel, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Step 2. Click on Third-Party Cookies to open Cookie Settings. Step 3. Select Block Third-Party Cookies to stop cross-site tracking and tighten your privacy controls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more smart tech upgrades.